Let us understand this and probability, and then we will stop this part of the tutorial. Okay. This is basics of statistics. We need to understand what is a random variable. Even before that, let me write this formula of probability. Probability is equal to interested events divided by total number of events. All right. What is a random variable? A random variable describes the probabilities for an uncertain future numerical outcome of a random process. It was a difficult statement for me to understand. I'm assuming it is the same for you all also. So let us divide this into two parts and then let us analyze. Let us first analyze and try to understand what is variable. If I flip a coin once, I can either get a head or I can get a tail. So the output varies. Whenever the output varies, it is called as variable. Let us look into rolling a die. If I roll a die once, die is singular, one die. Dice is plural. Okay, if I roll a die once, I can get a number 1 or I can get a 2 or a 3 or a 4 or a 5 or a 6. So the output varies once again. If the output varies, it is called as variable. That is the definition of this part, variable. Now let us understand what do you mean by random. Whenever there is a chance or probability associated with the events, it is called as random. If you look at this head here, when you flip a coin once, do you think there is a probability associated with getting a head? Absolutely. You can get either a head or a tail. And the probability or chance associated with getting a head is 1 by 2. 50%. How did I get 1 by 2? Formula is clear. Interested events. I'm interested in only head. How many events am I interested in? Only one event. So it is 1 divided by total number of events here are 2. So it's 1 by 2. What is the chance or probability associated with getting a tail? It is once again 1 by 2. Why is it 1 by 2? Because I am interested only in one event called tail. That is the interested event. 1 divided by total number of events are 2. I get 1 by 2. On similar lines, there is a probability associated or chance associated with you getting a 1 when you roll a die once. And the probability or chance associated is 1 by 6. Why 1 by 6? The event that I'm interested is in this number 1, which is one event. So 1 divided by total number of events are 6. There are 6 possibilities if you roll a die. On similar lines, the probability associated with I getting a number 2 when I roll a die once is 1 by 6. Why is it 1 by 6? What is the event that I am interested in? 2. This 2 is a single event that I'm interested in divided by total number of events, which is 6. And on similar lines, the probability associated with each and every value is 1 by 6. And whenever there is a probability associated with the events, it is called as random. And if there is any event whose output might vary, plus if it has a chance or probability associated, it is called as random variable. And one more thing that I want to explain y'all is that random variables are always represented using capital letter. And the values which this capital X can take is always represented using small x. For example, if you're flipping a coin, if that is represented using capital X, the values which this capital X can take is represented using small x. X1 is equal to head, X2 is equal to tail. On similar lines, rolling a die is a random variable. It's represented using capital X, and the values which this capital X can take are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, and these are represented using small letters. Whenever you read any statistical book right from here on, this notation will come in handy. All right.